Hi all, yeah, quick video. So just started to do some more work on removing the body shell. So obviously things like started removing wiring, the bar that goes from this side, the other side. This one here, the actual bolt was basically seized to the nuts, so and you can't really get to the nuts on the other side, so I had to grind it off. So once it's off the chassis, it'd be much easier to get the old remains of the bolt and nut out. Sort of the rest of the washer there, but basically I just put some cardboard in there to protect it from sparks. That's that. Also remove the seats. There's the seat belt bolts on both sides. There's one bolt there and another bolt there. All the bolts in here came undone apart from this one, where I did try backwards and forwards gently and all that sort of stuff. And basically it now just spins round, so also the captive nut on the back, probably in a cage I think, has come loose. So I had to look underneath, couldn't get to it. So I probably have to cut that off with the hand grinder, which is always a shame. But once it's off, then again, that same as the back one, I can inspect it. That's good. I'm not taking the cover off yet, but yeah, gear knobs off. So I know we need to clear that. I'll put the wheels back on later. Front end done a few bits and bobs there. Got the new low profile jack here. Plus some this cool jacking pads, as well as this jack, which is actually too high to go under the car, but it will be completely useful for jacking the car up. I've also got the crane over there, ready to go. So I'm planning on removing the bonnet, using the crane on this end, and then I can then use the two jacks on the rear of the car. So hopefully that makes life a lot easier, sort of doing it potentially by myself. And I've also got the lengths of wood arrived, 2.4 meters, and also 20 hollow, also hardcore breeze blocks, the ones which have the hollow section on, but they're not like lightweight ones, they're the sort of strong ones. So yeah, it's all work in progress, it's all coming along, and there we go, that's it so far.